How to connect Minecraft to Discord. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your Minecraft Java server to Discord. This will allow you to sync your Minecraft chat with a Discord channel, so your community can stay connected, even outside the game. Step 1. Download the Discord SRV plugin. First, go to the Spagot website and search for Discord SRV. Click download and you'll get a jar file. Step 2. Install the plugin. Open your Minecraft server folder, then go to the plugins directory. Drag and drop the Discord SRV jar file into that folder. Step 3. Restart your server. Now restart your server so the plugin can generate its config files. Step 4. Create a Discord bot. Go to the Discord developer portal and create a new application. Click bot, then add a bot, and copy the bot token. Step 5. Configure the plugin. Go back to your server folder, open the Discord SRV folder, and edit the config IML file. Pass the bot token into the bot token field. Next, go to your Discord server. Right-click the text channel where you want to chat appear and copy the channel ID. Paste that into the channel ID field in the config file. Step 6. Restart again. Save the file and restart your server one more time. You should now see messages from Minecraft appear in your Discord channel. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to link your Minecraft server to Discord using Discord SRV. If you found the tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.